30 and 60-day late is not considered a key derogatory and can rebound your score before 7 years. Most negative items, including late payments, can stay on your credit reports for 7 years, but not all negative information is equally damaging. Here is the first late payment secret you need to know. A payment that is 30 or 60-day late is not going to have a serious effect on your credit score as a payment that is 90 days past due, because scoring systems are focused on predicting whether or not you will go at least 90 days late. A 30 or 60-day late payment that occurred long time ago is actually not that damaging to your credit scores, as long as it is an isolated incident. It is when your accounts are recently reported 30 or 60 days past due on your credit reports, your credit scores plummet temporarily.